Hey guys, welcome to Login Here. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone, first open up your Instagram account or Instagram app on your iPhone. And after opening your Instagram app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the profile or the person icon. Simply tap on the profile or person icon first. And after tapping on that, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon available for us. Simply tap on that, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option available for us. Simply tap on the settings and privacy option, and over here, guys, you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the list and you will be able to find the logout button available for us. And now in order to sign out of your Instagram account on your iPhone, tap on logout, and you can see, guys, the logout in the red button. Tap on that logout button, guys, and you'll be able to log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone. And there, guys, this is how you log out of your Instagram account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.